video, I will send you. Okay, you can. You.
Okay, because I have to upload the video on my status to show my friend. I can also now speak English. That's why I want to record.
Okay. So, have you watched my video on YouTube or not?
Uh, no, no. I first time I calling you. I never before I never uh, watch your video. I think you
Okay.
are recording that. That's why here have not any option to record. Yeah.
Completing person, you can also get this video. Okay.
Okay. Okay. No. Okay. Okay. No problem.
Yes. Yes. So, like, it is your first conversation, and did you do to someone?
No, no, it's my first conversation. You know, nowadays, many video I saw on YouTube. A lot of people are learning English through these apps. I hear about these apps from Jadu. You know, Jadu is nowadays very famous.
Yes, I did conversation with him, but I tell to him, please don't upload my video, on your YouTube. But he uploaded my video. I don't know why.
Yeah, yeah. Today I also message him, but he was replied me. But I think he may be busy.
Okay, no
That's why we
problem.
are kind of conversation. Okay.
Yes, because I have my YouTube channel, but I do not want to upload this type of video on my YouTube channel, and also I want to that no can upload my video on his and her channel. But I told to him for Jadu, please don't upload my video on your YouTube, but he uploaded. So okay, it's not big. So okay,
Yeah.
tell me about yourself and please introduce yourself.
Yes, yes. My name is Shreeram tudu. I am from Odisha, district Moyurbhanj, and my village name is Chenadua. I am a BTech student. Basically, I am an engineering student. I am 23 years old. My hobbies are reading books and playing football. That's it about all this.
Okay, okay, nice to talk to you. I feel very glad because I connected with your village people. Okay,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
okay.
yeah.
So may
And
I introduce myself?
yes, 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 yes. You introduce yourself.
I'm from Uttar Pradesh, but my district in Balia. I'm from village area, but now I'm living in Lucknow. I have done my GNM diploma. I have done my GNM diploma, and now I'm working in hospital as a staff nurse. And because of my job, just I'm living in Lucknow. But I think that I want to take admission in post BSc. It means after completing my post BSc, I can do work in any hospital as a senior post, as well as I can teach in any medical colleges. After completing this profession, I have got two chance. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I love to do planting tree, and I prefer to read book like novel, story like that. And sometimes I want to listen song. It's yes.
Yeah, yeah, I think your personality is very good. I like your hobbies that you want to plant the trees. I also like that kind of activities because I love the nature. You can see here I am in my garden and I plant here many plant. You can see this is I think guava tree. A
Guava
lot of
tree.
trees. Yeah, yeah, a lot of trees I planted here and I like that. And, by the way,
Yeah,
how you? Okay, okay.
yeah, I love the nature. And
Yeah,
I thought whenever I have get success in my life, what like when I will achieve something in my life, so definitely I will do something for animals, for nature.
yeah, yeah. I think you are from also village.
Yeah, I'm from village, but I'm living in Lucknow.
Yeah, yeah. Then how you thought that you have to learn the English, and from how many months or how many years you started learning English?
A nice question from you. Okay, like I thought that I'm medical student, so sometimes I want to go abroad. So I thought that without English I cannot go. Just without I don't know about English. So how can clear interview and like so many exams like OET, IELTS. So if I want to clear that exam, so I cannot. I didn't have any opportunity to clear that exam, so I thought that I have to learn English. And sometimes I told you that I want to take admission in post BSc. It means like post BSc, if I will go to teach any colleges, so there is a requirement about English. If I don't know about English, so how can I teach to anyone?
Okay,
So
okay, that's right.
and your next question was when I started my English learning. So I
Yeah,
started my English learning approx 6 month ago. Like yes, 6 month ago. I also faced the so many problem because I told you that I'm from village area. So there people are speaking their own language like Bhojpuri, Hindi. So I also faced so many problem while learning this language. That time I was a very shy person. Whenever I was getting chance to talk to someone, that time I was getting stuck. I couldn't talk with my parents in English, and I couldn't talk with my neighbors in English because they don't know about this language. But now I have also started my own YouTube channel, and I can talk. Yes.
yeah. I'm very happy to say you that you are now very fluently. You can speak very fluently. Although you first time you have to lot of struggle. I think you have to face lot of struggle, and you now very fluent. I think you are now very.
I
uh,
want I want to become a that much fluent in this language. you know like whatever you want to do, if you follow your consistency, you follow your consistency with dedication, with hard work, so whatever you want to achieve in your life, you can easily achieve. So
yeah,
don't need to worry about it. Whatever you want to do, you can do. You should believe yourself. You should believe on your hard work.
yeah, yeah. Uh, yeah, I also thought like that. I have to learn English because I am a BTech student. I am an engineering student. In Odisha, maximum people are talking their native language, or many people also don't know Hindi. Also don't know in our area. Basically, I am a village. I am village area. I live in village. That's why I
And
thought what
and,
I have.
behind you, you're behind, like there are so many greenies. I can see.
Yeah, 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 yeah. A lot of trees in our garden. There are some banana trees. Also, we have also tomato trees. I planted. uh, Now the trees are growing up. So many people here in our garden.
Oh,
Basically,
I
I am
think
from Moir.
I hope you are getting so much fruit from your plant.
Yeah, yeah. If it possible, I will also give you. I want to give you. I will send you by courier. I have lot of banana trees, but we also banana trees, and here in my garden. Basically, if I talk about the fruit, uh, we have banana or guava. Uh, Now I cannot recall, but many trees here.
Okay, okay, no problem. So that's you are learning English there.
Yeah, yeah. It's not much very late, but I 2 month or 1 month. I think I am learning from 1 month English.
Okay, okay. So you already knew about the grammar rules and tenses, something like that.
Yeah, yeah. I now I am learning grammar, but I did not complete. I'm not complete the now it's going on.
Now it's going on. Okay, all right. All right, you will able to speak. Just you have to follow your consistency. One day you will definitely you will speak very well.
Yes, yes. Thank you for appreciating. And there is main issue is in our area or mainly in my village. There is no such a friend. Mainly environment problem. I face the environment problem. There is no one with who I talk in English.
Okay. Yeah, but doesn't matter you have environment or not. Like it is the my perspective. Just you have to believe on yourself, and you have to do practice, and you have to do hard work. Yeah, but I can do. I have a dedication for learn this language. I have a curious. I can do. Just you can do.
Yeah, as you say before that, you are as a shy person. I'm also very shy person. I have not a very large friend circle. I have no such a friend. Really, I have not any friend in my village. That's why.
I think you don't need any type of friend, any type of source. You have to need only yourself. Okay, whatever
Yeah,
you have to learn in one day, you have to just practice this thing. Like you have to whenever you have to get chance to do conversation to anyone, just you should have to use that word. Okay, just you have to use that word while speaking and while doing conversation to anyone. So just you have to learn this language.
first time when you started the English learning, you learn from book or you learn the you watch the YouTube video. What is your process? What was your process?
Yeah, it was like sometimes I watched some video on YouTube. Firstly, I watched a lot of cartoon, and also nowadays I just followed this step. Like also every day I watched a cartoon and some story like foreigner story like that, and also I firstly I have completed my grammar. Without grammar, we cannot speak. Grammar
Can you
is the
can you recommend me any book you know that the if you read this book, then your grammar will be definitely very good.
uh like seriously I truly tell to you that I didn't learn any type of book for improving myself. Just I have complete past tense, future tense, and present tense. That's enough. You have to learn interrogative, negative, continuous, interrogative, and negative like that. Just it
Yeah,
is enough. Yeah, nowadays every people are using models, phrase. No need to that much learn a grammar. Just what is the problem? What is the problem you have?
yeah, yeah. I face many problems such as how do I use was, where, have, had. I many time I cannot understand where it I will use had, have. Lot of grammatical problem I face, but now it is I can understand a lot of thing when I study the grammar.
Yeah, so it is the biggest problem, na? Like already grammar rule, but problem is that like you have a lack of speaking. Just you have to use that.
Yeah, yeah.
Problem is that na ki you know all thing. You already knew about the grammar rule and at all. But main thing is that you are not speaking just
Yeah, yeah,
like
yeah.
that's why you are not able to speak.
Yeah, you're right. You are right because we know many things, we know many words, but we never apply in our speaking English. If we start in English conversation, first time I know and everyone knows the mistake will be happen, but we have to start at first.
Yes, from today you have to promise with yourself whatever I learned in one day. Just whenever I have get chance to talk to someone, that time I will use that word and I will use that use. Okay.
If I say about myself, I know a lot of words, but whenever I am conversationing with other people, like now I am conversationing with you, I everything I forgot.
Okay.
Everything
You
I
know.
forgot. What?
Okay. Like there is a network problem because
Yeah, yeah,
now now you are a visual.
yeah, yeah. Lot of problem network here. Basically, I am in rural area now, so that why the network sometimes show the problem.
Yes, yes. Now, so it is okay. Somewhere it it is okay. Yes, okay. Yes. Just I want to say you that like you are saying me कि just whenever I have start a conversation to each other like and with anyone that time I forget all thing what I use and like how to say and how to frame sentences like that, because of lacking speaking, because of lack of speaking, a lack of proficiency, it means lack of knowledge. So English is just a language. It will be take that much time. It is not easy for anyone. Just we have to learn English within 3 months, within 4 months. It will be take time. But when it will be not take time, like when you will do hard work, like you will do daily practice with consistency, with any, you should have to fix any time schedule. Just you have to practice.
Yeah, yeah, you said right. The practice is most important, I think. Uh, Definitely, I will be practice. I promise in front of you, I will definitely today onwards. I will practice myself. I will give me 5 to 4 hours in a day, definitely. And one day I will call you back. And now talk to with me. I am now fluent.
No, 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 not at all. Because when I started my English learning, I also faced this kind of problem. I was not able to talk to anyone that time. I feel, oh my God, when I will get chance to how to talk and how to react. That type of thing. It was happened with me a lot. But now, it doesn't matter like you have that much knowledge, but you should need to increase your confidence level. But like suppose that you have a lot of knowledge, you know about all thing, models, tenses, grammars, and all thing, and you have a lot of vocab, but you don't have confidence. So how can you express your thought front of people? How can you express your modulation, what do you want to say? But you know
Yeah,
only that or these how to use, but you have a confidence, you can explain your thought with modulation, with confidence. So first of all you
yeah,
should increase your confidence level.
yeah, yeah. Confident. In when I am sitting in my room, my confidence level is very high. When I am talking to other people, it's fall down.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
I can.
I understand. Yeah, yeah,
So like it will be happen like you are just a learner, and you told me I had started my this language like for 1 month ago, you told me that.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I started 1 month ago. You know Komlesh sir. I am watching Komlesh sir video, and it's very helpful. Komlesh sir YouTube channel, on YouTube.
Videos are like there, but you have to need, just you have to speak. It is enough. It is my perspective if you want to learn this language.
Yeah, and if I tell how are your family and how are you?
Yeah, thank you for asking. Just I'm doing great, and because you can see me, just I'm well, and I feel very proud of myself because today I connect with you, and you are just a farmer and belong a village area. So, and
Yeah,
I also proud because just you are learning this language and you are sitting here village area. So I
Yeah, yeah,
feel very. And if I talk about my family, so they are also good. They are just doing and they are just busy their own work.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I love this English language very much, but I had tell there is no environment, such an environment. I need a friend. I need a friend who with I talk with them. So if you have any time, then if you don't mind, I will call you in a day.
Yes, yes, you can call me. Like I talk to so many people like Bablu, Jaddu, and Dehati man, and Sapna Ragwansi. I already called, but I didn't have that much time for talk. But whenever you do message for me, and when I get free time, so definitely I will try to connect with you.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know,
It's,
Bablu, Bablu Kisku, he always do a message. Khushi ma'am, you are free. Just I want to talk with you. Do you know
yeah,
about
yeah.
Bablu?
See, no, no. I had call you whenever you free. Then we will talk. And if I learn through you, then it's a very good thing. I will be happy and I will be feel proud that mem are teach me. I am learn from mem or something. Khusi
So
mem.
like
I learn from Khusi mem.
when I will connect with you next time, so definitely I want to see your improvement. You have to improve yourself, and after that I will definitely give you your feedback where you are just doing a correct and where are you doing mistake. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So do you
Then okay, I cannot hear. Uh, Repeat again.
just I want to say you, do you have any question for me?
No, no. I have not question. I have lot of question. I want to lot of conversation, but I am nervous myself. I am feeling nervous.
Why you are feeling nervous? Because I'm girl and you are boy, so you
No,
should
no.
have.
That, no, no. That is not matter. First time I conversation. So I think that maybe it may be I am afraid.
Okay, so it is your first conversation.
Yeah, yeah. It is my first conversation.
You didn't do
Okay, no, no problem.
okay.
First time, today is my first video calling. That's why I feel worried about myself.
In this video, in like it is your first video, so you have to only learn from this video. You have to build your confidence. That's it.
Yeah, yeah. Definitely, I will obey your advice, or I will do. I will. I think I have to practice a lot of.
Yes. So you should have to only build your confidence. That's enough. And you have a confidence now, you can talk to anyone
Yeah,
without
yeah.
any hesitation.
Definitely, I will started my. Now also it's going on, but I think I have to increase my practice level. I have to increase, or I have to give a lot of time in English.
Yes, you have to increase. And I believe that you will learn this language in very few like in very few days, because you have a consistency, and also I can see your you are just doing great.
Yeah, yeah, thanks. Thank you. I try lot of time in my mind. I thought how I can learn English, because a lot of people are speaking in English nowadays. I can see on YouTube they are conversationing. Lot of small children also can talk in English, but how when I can talk English. and that's why I started the learning English, watching YouTube video, reading lot of book, and all. I have also that.
I would like to say to you that you are saying that I saw so many people are just speaking better than me, and just speaking I saw in on YouTube like so many small child are speaking better than me. So firstly, you don't compare with yourself to anyone, because just they have a different ability, they have a different environment, they have also, you don't know about them, you don't know
Yeah,
about her, and you don't know about his label. And also if I talk about what they did, our study in CBSE board, and you did your study in UP
yeah,
board in Hindi medium, so why you are just going to compare yourself to other? Because everyone has a different situation. Okay,
yeah,
so
yeah,
you should you should no need to get a hesitation and become a nervous.
yeah. I think I many time compare myself to other. That's why my confidence level are decreased.
Okay, okay. So, you know,
Then from today, can I call you Khusi ma'am?
tomorrow? Yes,
Yeah, yeah,
yes, yes. You can.
yeah, yeah.
And you
Because
can.
I really need the person who can guide me, or who can treat me, or who can suggest me. You this kind of do this kind of thing, such as practice this kind. So I really wanted the person who can guide me or who can accompany me. And
Yes, yes, whatever, you have a time, and like whatever you think that I have a question and I have a confusion there. So just you have to do message like there is a just I'm lacking. There is I cannot understand these things. So you should talk with me, and you should also ask, because when I started my English learning, I recall that you know that time I also faced this kind of problem. That time I was not able to talk to anyone. At that time also thought that how can I learn this language, it is the very difficult. And sometimes I also I was getting demotivated from the people, and people also make me a confused, people were also make me a demotivate. But I didn't get a demotivate from through the people, and also I followed my consistency. So I
yeah,
can also understand very well your problem,
yeah.
because I also faced.
Uh, Khushi ma'am, I am happy to say that you are agree that whenever you want, you can message me. Now I am feel very confident. Whenever I have doubt, then I will definitely ask you. And whenever you get time, then if possible, then reply me. And if it possible, then we will talk on video call also.
Yes, yes. So whenever I have chance, and like no need to worried about, and you no need to become a shy. Whenever you have do message for me, just whenever I see your message, definitely I get your message and I will reply to you.
Yeah, yeah. Today I feel very happy because first time I uh, talk in video call.
My goodness. Okay, okay. So and you should also watch my video. There you can learn. I hope you can learn from my video so many uses how to use.
Yeah, yeah.
Like at
I will definitely watch your video, and please share me your link, YouTube link. I think you have the YouTube channel.
yes, I will share to you. My channel name is English Journey with Khushi, and I will also share to you that.
Yeah, yeah. Khushi ma'am, how many subscribers in your channel?
Recently, I have started earlier 2 months. So I have subscribed 500 something that.
Yeah, yeah. Then this video also you can you will upload on YouTube.
No. Nowadays, I'm not getting a upload on my YouTube. After that, like I will upload, but nowadays I do not want to upload this type of video, like conversation video. Also, so many people are just saying to me that Khushi ma'am, you have to upload like Jadu's channel also. I'm my videos, like he uploaded my one video on his channel, but I don't want to upload my video on YouTube. I I do something special on my channel, because so many people are just uploading this type of video, so I do not want. But sometime somewhere I will upload in.
Yeah, 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 yeah. If you upload, then it would be good. But whatever the reason, please keep continue the channel. Then you continue. If you continue the channel, we will also learn from your channel.
Yes. But there I thought that I uploaded different thinking, like because of with the help of people, they can get the confidence, they can learn the something, but if I talk about the this type of video in conversation video, like so many people are just uploading this type of video. So I do not want to upload this type of video. When I will be starting to upload this type of video, I didn't focus on any another thing. That time I
Uh,
am not able to focus on another thing. So that's why I do not want to upload.
video upload on YouTube is also very difficult task. You have to consistency upload. You have to edit the
That
video.
Yes, but yeah, like starting my YouTube channel, only I have one purpose for learning this language, and otherwise I do not want to like I don't have anything, because I also prepare about the OET exam. For I already told to you that I want to go abroad, so just I'm preparing about the OET exam. It means occupational English test. If you want to go abroad, so you have to crack this exam. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. And you can see Khushi ma'am. This is my house.
Oh my
It's
God. So what are you doing? Like, do you have any qualification? Just
yeah,
you are.
yeah. I already told you that I am a BTech student now. My study also going on. This year, my BTech will be completed. Basically, I am last year student, final year student. Sorry, final year student.
Okay.
After that, my aim is to clear UPSC exam. I am now preparing for UPSC myself on YouTube. I watching YouTube video or I take subscription on YouTube, and I have lot of books related to UPSC, and now I am preparing myself uh, for UPSC.
Yes, you can. You can. Like sometimes I thought that belong a village area, and I belong a very poor family. So you have to. You don't need to become lazy. You don't need to become a very loose. I'm from village area. Just I'm from. I belong a very poor family. Just you have to, uh, like become your strength. You should feel on yourself. Proud, because I'm from village area, I'm belong a very poor family. You have to feel on yourself. Just I'm lucky, because I'm from village area, I'm from a very poor family. So just you have to feel lucky, and you have to like become a strength. It is my strength. It is not my weakness. Whatever I want to do, I can do. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Khushi ma'am, for your uh, advice, and definitely
Okay,
uh,
nice to talk to you.
nice to talk to you, Khushi ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.